The simple thing about preserving your habitat is then you're preserving everything else.
Yeah.
Because if you don't preserve your habitat, you're going to have nothing else. And I think that's the key to conservation everywhere.
Yeah.
Is creating more habitat where you can and looking after what habitat you've got. Our core issues there are teaching the community the conservation for a start.
Yeah.
Poaching is a huge problem. Without us in those areas, they would just overrun the place and basically take out all the wildlife that is there. We talk to them all the time now about conserving and how they can benefit from these areas. And our community who own the land that we're on can see this, and they start looking after you and making sure that nobody disturbs you. They get involved in the anti-poaching as well then.
Yeah.
And we've got a team of guys out anti-poaching 24/7. Doing what I'm doing now is developing an area that was once just nothing.
Yes.
It's a bit of paradise that's undeveloped, and turning it into not only hunting but eventually into ecotourism is my goal there.
Yeah.
Just to have another piece of Africa in building a new environment for the game. It's all about trying to get some environment back there.
Yeah. And that is what it is
And
all
that's what
about.
it's all about.
Yeah.
And the more people could do that, the better.
Yeah.
And all the companies in that area are all like-minded, so it's quite easy to do. Because everybody's on the same page.
Yeah. Brilliant.